Hi, I'm Dave Fixit, and if your door key is sticking, giving you grief every time you try to open your door, don't call a locksmith just yet. I'm going to show you how you can fix this common problem in just a few seconds, for practically no cost at all. Today, I'm revealing a classic professional secret, the pencil trick. Plus, stick around, because I'll also expose the one lubricant you must never, ever use on a lock, even though it's what most people grab first. So, your lock is getting sticky. What's the first thing that comes to mind? For so many people, it's this blue and yellow can, WD-40. I see it all the time. People spray it directly into the keyhole, thinking they're solving the problem. Please, stop right there. While WD-40 is great for many things, using it in a lock is a huge mistake. It's an oil-based lubricant that will attract dust, dirt, and grit over time. Initially, it might feel smoother, but soon, all that gunk will mix with the oil and create a thick, gummy sludge inside the delicate pin mechanism. This actually makes the problem much worse and can lead to a costly repair or even a full lock replacement. So what's the right way to fix it? The answer is something called dry lubrication. And the secret ingredient is probably sitting right in your kitchen drawer or your kid's pencil case. The secret is graphite. Using a standard pencil is all we need. The core of a pencil is a mixture of graphite and clay. Graphite is an incredible dry lubricant. It creates a super slick surface without any sticky oils. Here's how you do the pencil trick. All you need is your sticky key and a regular HB pencil. A number 2 pencil works perfectly. Take the pencil and generously rub the graphite lead all over the teeth and the grooves of your key. Don't be shy. You want to get a good, dark coating on both sides. See how it's covered in that gray powder? That's the magic right there. Now, take your graphite-coated key and gently insert it into the sticking lock. Slide it in and out a few times. Don't force it or jiggle it aggressively. Just a smooth in and out motion. As you do this, the tiny graphite particles are transferring from the key onto the internal pins and tumblers of the lock. You're basically coating the entire inner mechanism with a layer of dry, frictionless lubricant. After just a few passes, try turning the key. You should feel an immediate difference. That frustrating grinding and sticking sensation is gone, replaced by a smooth, easy turn. It feels like a brand new lock again. The best part? Because graphite is a dry powder, it won't attract and trap dirt like oil does. This simple fix will keep your lock operating smoothly for months, even years. It's a quick, clean, and incredibly effective solution. So there you have it. The professional pencil trick to fix a sticking lock. Remember, stay away from oil-based sprays and embrace the power of graphite. It's a simple tip that can save you a lot of frustration and money. If you found this guide helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and share it with a friend who might be struggling with their own stubborn lock. And for more nonsense, straight-to-the-point guides that help you fix things yourself, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm Dave Fixit. Let's get it fixed.